concept of rehearsal is considered something for rote learners, but it does have a value in long-term memory retention when done in a particular manner. Rehearsal is simply repeating the act of memorizing with conscious effort. It is something like this. Suppose I have to remember that square of hypotenuse is equal to square of height plus square of base of the right angle triangle. I'll keep repeating the same by orally narrating it many times and then revising it mentally further more times. This is rehearsal. For memorization, two types of rehearsal patterns can be distinctly identified. Maintenance rehearsal is where person just keeps on repeating things without giving much attention to meaning or association of the content being repeated. Repetition practiced in this way does have a short-term recall value, but things would be difficult for long-term recall. This is actually rote learning. In case of elaborative rehearsal, a person is fully conscious of the meaning and the process of association, visualization, story making keeps on happening in parallel while rehearsal is going on. This way is truly effective for long-term memorization. Revision is a technique where the subject content is traversed once again after some time. It is also called the spaced rehearsal. It does mean that when we revisit the subject content after some space of time, we may rehearse it few times with full consciousness and by using other concepts of association, visualization and story making, etc. People who memorize whole religious books, long speeches, etc. do use this concept of spaced rehearsal. Some researchers also provide rules of setting this space as, say, first revision after 1 day, then after a week, and then after a fortnight. The timetable of rehearsal may work for some people, but it is best to leave it to individuals without any mental baggage of scheduled revisions. Next, we shall take up Section 3 quiz.